What's happening? This is Devo, founder and CEO of Food and Lifestyle TV, here on ID 104 Radio. Happy to talk to you a little bit about our brand. Very excited today. We have three of our chefs from Food and Lifestyle TV have been selected to be on the cover of Snub Magazine. So Food and Lifestyle TV is a Black-owned streaming network built from scratch here in Atlanta. We created a platform to allow creators to express themselves in their true and authentic voice. Since we are Black-owned, there's no need to code switch, or we don't tell any of our chefs, hey, tone it down. No. If you got that fire, we want that fire. And so we have created cooking shows, collaboration shows, and even Dragonfire Kitchen, a side-by-side chef competition show, the way that we do competitions. So you can find us at foodandlifestyle.com. There you can find links to how to get to our Roku channel and all of our other streaming platforms. On socials, we're at Food Lifestyle TV, one word, IG, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Come check us out. You can see all the different food and lifestyle shows with the vibe. Basically today we're here to celebrate Chef Joe, Chef Rocky, and Flavor P, three amazing chefs. We are redefining what it means to be a celebrity chef. A celebrity chef is not just who you cook for or who you stand next to. A celebrity chef has to stand 10 toes down on their abilities, their skills, their personality, their swag. We are proud to redefine. Chef is the main character, or the chef is the main character. That's what we're all about. That's what we're here to celebrate today. So check us out. Socials at Food Lifestyle TV, on the internet, foodandlifestyle.com. Happy to be here on ID 104 Radio.